To check Klarna Pay in 4. Start by understanding what it is. Klarna Pay in 4 is a payment service that allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal installments. This service is interest-free and does not require a credit check. First, you need to have a Klarna account. If you do not have one, you can sign up for free on the Klarna website or through the Klarna app. Once you have an account, you can use Klarna Pay in 4 at any merchant that accepts Klarna. When you are ready to make a purchase, select Klarna as your payment method at checkout. You will then be prompted to log in to your Klarna account. After logging in, you will see the option to pay in 4 installments. To check if you are eligible for Klarna Pay in 4, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and payment method. Klarna will then review your information and let you know if you are approved for Pay in 4. If you are approved, you will see the payment schedule and the amount of each installment. The first payment is due at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 payments are due every 2 weeks after that. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. You can view your payment schedule and make payments through the Klarna app or website. In summary, to check Klarna Pay in 4, sign up for a Klarna account. Select Klarna as your payment method at checkout, and follow the prompts to apply for Pay in 4. Make sure to review the payment schedule and terms carefully and make your payments on time to avoid any issues.